3a plus 6b plus 9c is equal to 24. 9a plus 7b plus 5c is equal to 28. We have to find out the value of a plus b plus c. Okay. Now you can see that there are three variables a, b, c, but we have been given only two equations. Okay. So for such equations, what we need to do is, let's multiply the first equation by, let's say, m. Okay, we'll multiply throughout by m. So it will become 3am plus 6bm plus 9cm is equal to 24m. Let's multiply the next equation by n. So it becomes 9an plus 7bn plus 5cn is equal to 28. Okay. Now, if we add both these equations, and if we take a common, b common, and c common, you will have something like this: a into 3m plus 9m plus b common, you will have 6m plus 7m plus c common, 9m plus 5m is equal to 24m plus 28m. Okay, so this will be your equation. Now, if you see the equation which we have been asked, it is a plus b plus c. That means the coefficient of a, b, c is equal. So therefore, we can equate the coefficients of a, b, and c amongst themselves. You can equate any of these and you will get the equation. Okay, so let's equate this thing. So let's do it over here. Okay, so 3m plus 9m, that is the coefficient of a. We are equating it with 6m plus 7m, that is coefficient of b. Okay, so bringing all m on one side and n on the other side, you have here 3m is equal to 2n. Okay, so therefore we can say that m by n will be 2 by 3, right? So therefore now we can assume m as 2 and n as 3. Okay, let's substitute m as 2 and n as 3 over here. So this will become m is 2. So 3 2s are 6 plus 9 3s are 27. Okay, so this becomes a into 6 plus 27 plus b into 6 into 2, that is 12 plus 7 3s are 21 plus c into 9 2s are 18 plus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 24 2s are 48 plus 28 3s are 84. Okay, now if we simplify this, it becomes 33a plus 33b plus 33c is equal to 48 plus 84, that is 132. Now, if we divide this equation throughout by 33, we will have the equation as a plus b plus c is equal to 4. 132 upon 33 is nothing but 4. And that's what is asked, a plus b plus c. So answer will be